Hi, this is Emaila Langa, and this is our 7th day session of our training. And the topic is all about creating Facebook ads. If you're going to create Facebook page, especially for businesses, you have to integrate or post ads such as video, image, and text ads. And aside from that, it is also important to target specific audience for your page, wherein it allows you to run ads you've chosen. But before that, let me just show you how I posted ads on my page. Okay, so I am now on my Facebook page screen. So I actually posted ads previously, but now um, just to show you, just to present to you how I posted those ads, especially for the three different types of ads. I'll go first with image ads. So for image ad, you just have to make sure that it looks appealing and attractive to your audiences. So now I will proceed to text ad. Okay, so in creating text ad, you don't have to lengthen your words. Um, you just have to make sure that it is full of content. Um, okay, so for the last ad that I'm going to post is the video ad. So I'll just have to make sure that it's routed to my, um, it will be posted to my page. I'll just, I'll just refresh my page. Okay, just for a moment, let me just edit my post. So now that I have finished posting the three types of ads, um, just as I have mentioned earlier that you have to target specific audiences. So in order to do that, you can um, you have to run ads, and that way you can be more specific with your audiences. There are several ways to run ads right here on your page. It's either posting a post, or you can choose more options right here um, as you click on creating ad. But for in my case, I I'm if I prefer choosing posting a post. So I'm going to choose this post specifically. So as you click on the posting post button, um, you will be routed to this new page. So to begin with, you can actually click on this clickable button, and you can see more options below. But since I want to automatically can automatically answer my audience, I just have to choose send a message for easier connection. And also I can below I can edit the welcome message. So I can actually choose the first option, and there are three options remaining below that you can choose. And for the audience part, this is actually the part where you can categorize your audience. You can click on edit button, and you can so first you can choose either it's all gender. You can choose just for men or women. For this post, I can actually choose all types of gender. Okay. So for the age, since um, I believe that all ages are 6 4 um, a device that gives entertainment. Um, we can actually choose more options here, but to be specific, I would like to choose 20 to 35 years of age. And for the location part, you can actually choose different locations all over the world. But in my case, I'd like to choose near my residence, near my location, somewhere in the province of Cebu, Philippines. Okay, so this is it. So upon checking below, the estimated population, I mean potential audience size is 64,000. I'm sorry, it's not. Okay, so since the total audience is possibly 2 million in size, I can actually um, point out to um, to a specific location for it to reduce. So I now have targeted the appropriate size that I'd like to target. Um, so I'm now going to proceed on the last category. So since I'm looking specifically for people who like to to a device for entertainment, I'm going to click on this entertainment button. And as you click on this entertainment clickable button, you can actually see more options. You can choose any of these options below, and as long as it does match on your post, I mean on your post on or the people you the type of audience that you really like to target, then you can choose any from this. And once you're done targeting audience, you can click on save right here in the lower corner of the screen. And once you're done, you can now it is now ready to set up payment. And once you're done setting up a payment, you can click on save, I mean submit button. And once it is submitted, it is now ready for for a review by the Facebook admin. And later on, they will be the one um, to to decide whether it is like approved or not. So that ends for the tutorial on creating if Facebook ads. Thank you so much for watching.